I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to create video ads using AI in 2026. No filming, no production team, no copywriters needed. All you're going to need is a simple workflow that I'm going to walk you through right now. If you've been putting off creating video ads because production feels way too complicated or expensive, get ready because by the end of this video, you're going to be able to create 10 AI video ads in an afternoon, if not more. This is by far the easiest way in 2026 to create video ads. All you do is take a product link. It could be from your Shopify store, an Amazon listing, your website, anywhere your product is listed. Then you paste that into Creatify. AI will analyze the page. It'll pull images. It'll read the descriptions, the key benefits and features. It'll even look at customer testimonials. It'll pull all of that and generate scripts for you with proven frameworks. This is going to include a script that has a hook that is designed to stop the scroll, as well as a middle section that will explain what the product does and why it matters. And finally, a call to action at the end of every video. That means you don't need to write anything. You use the AI scriptwriter to handle the entire process for you. Let me show you what that looks like with an actual URL. Now, let's say you are selling a standing desk and you have it listed on Amazon. And on that URL on Amazon, you have images, you have descriptions, you have testimonials, you have all the key stats and facts that someone needs to make a purchase decision. That includes dimensions, weight capacity, everything. So you drop that URL into Creatify and the platform will load all of that for you. And the best part is at any stage of this process, you could customize what the AI is using. So you could add information or you could remove information based on what final result you want. Then you tell the AI which platform this is for, what format the final video should be in, as well as who the target audience is. And that means that your script is targeted specifically for your ideal purchaser. Then once you select your target audience, you'll then get presented a few different scripts with these proven frameworks. And again, you are able to customize the script however you like. You could change the hook, modify the benefits, tweak the call to action, anything that will make the ad exactly the way you want it to be. Then once you're ready with the script, you'll then choose an avatar. Creatify has a library of over 1,500 avatars you can choose from. That means different ages, ethnicities, presentation styles, different backgrounds. You select whatever makes the most sense for your target audience. Now, what you've done here is with a URL, you've generated a script, you've generated avatars, you've generated so many videos in just a few moments. And from beginning to end, every step of this process is fully customizable. Now, this is where Creatify takes everything to the next level. Once you have rendered those videos and they're done, you could actually set them to publish on advertising platforms like Meta, TikTok, and Accent inside of Creatify. That means you could go from idea to a launch campaign all within the platform. And if you're liking what you're seeing so far, click that first link down below in the description and you could get started with their free plan to test this out for yourself and see the final result. Sitting and waiting for a production team and copywriters and all the different details for you to go from an idea to a final video is going to take a lot of time. This is going to be months in a process. And even if you have them on site, it's still going to be weeks to get it done. This is something you could do from the comfort of your laptop in just a few minutes, which means you'll be able to test ads at a velocity you've never seen before. So before you invest tens of thousands of dollars into production time, you could actually see which hooks are converting, what avatars are working, and what call to actions make the most sense for your audience. This is how the biggest brands are winning with their ads. They are generating a library of ad variations within an afternoon. Now, how do you customize these for different goals? So these workflows are fast, but they're not a one-size-fits-all. You could customize the output based on what you're trying to achieve. So for example, for direct response ads, if your goal is immediate conversions, getting people to click and buy, you're going to want a script that's focused on the benefits and include a strong offer. When the AI generates the initial script, you could emphasize urgency in the hook. So instead of if you're sitting all day and your back hurts, you might adjust it to if you're sitting all day and your back hurts, this is 20% off for the next 48 hours, which could also adjust the call to action as well to say something like click this video now to get 20% off before this offer ends. For brand awareness ads, if you're trying to build awareness rather than drive immediate sales, you'd adjust the tone to be more educational and less salesy. The hook might focus on a problem without an immediate push to the product, something like most people don't realize sitting for 8 hours a day shortens your lifespan. The middle section would explain why standing matters and what the research says, and only then introduce the product as a solution. Now, let's talk about retargeting ads. If you are targeting people who have already visited your website or engaged with your brand, they probably have some sense of who you are and what you offer. So you might go straight into addressing objections or highlight testimonials. So a hook like still not sure if a standing desk is worth it, here's what happens after 30 days of use. Then the rest of the video will focus on results and social proof, explaining what the product is and why it matters. With Creatify, you can generate multiple versions of the same ad with different scripts and approaches. Then you could test them in your campaigns to see which objective-based framing is going to perform best. This workflow in 2026 is the easiest way to create AI video ads because it removes every traditional bottleneck. You don't need to write scripts, you don't need to film anything or coordinate with production teams. You could go from a product URL to finished ad in less than a few minutes. Plus, you could scale it with dozens or even hundreds of ads without the increased complexity. Check out that first link down below to get started with Creatify today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.